an advocate. I've been an advocate from the year 2000 when I was admitted to the bar. I've worked for various organizations, including the government of Kenya, and I've practiced law, and I've also worked for parastatal. Yeah, I'm really happy about the annual conference. This is an event that I don't ordinarily want to miss or like to miss. And then the theme for this particular annual conference, the 2024 annual conference, is about promoting excellence, matters to do with good governance and the rule of law for purposes of sustainable development. I think it's a very topical issue, especially at such a time as this, where we find ourselves in a political, a moment of political re-emergence, especially with the recent acclamations we've had from the young people, popularly known as the Gen Zs, who have been coming out to push for certain changes. Indeed, in the past 5 to 6 weeks, we've seen quite a number of things that have been going on. We've even seen some reaction from the political class, whereby we've seen reforms in the police force. I think even today they are appointing or they are vetting the IG. We had a situation whereby the cabinet was actually dissolved and then reappointed with new faces that have come in. We have the government of national unity that has come in, the broad-based government. All this basically is to address the various political upheavals that have arisen, arising out of the agitation of our young people. Yeah, today's topic, especially the keynote address that was given by Senior Counsel Feroz Noroji, was very topical and spot on. It was just basically talking about the role of a lawyer. Little did I know, most of us did not even know that advocate is a constitutional office. Being an advocate is a constitutional office because you have got a constitutional responsibility that we have to undertake. Mm-hmm. But things that came out quite strongly in Feroz's keynote address today was the issue of where there is a lot of a lie, the truths become basically a revolution, if I may put it. That was a quote that he had done from George Orwell's book, 1984. And he contextualized it in our Kenyan situations, whereby he said that in certain circumstances where people are agitating for the truth, where there is what we call a universal deceit, then you realize that the truth actually becomes revolutionary. And he gave us very good cases or very good examples, whereby he was saying that whatever it is that was being agitated upon initially, despite the fact that it got resistance, at the end of the day, the political class actually came in and confirmed that that was the position. It is actually accepted that we have got a challenge with the high taxation. It was accepted that the cost of living has gone high. These are issues that the young people have been agitating for. And despite the fact that they were branded negatively before, they were called anarchists. But upon reflection, I think, upon realization and upon rethinking and looking at the issues, then it was found that actually they had a point. And that is why I believe His Excellency took the position that he took, that was meant to actually address the issues that the young people had talked about. How did he do it? He disbanded the cabinet, he reappointed a fresh one, he did away with the finance bill. That means going away with the various tax proposals that were seen not to be citizen-friendly, and many other things that have happened. And these are things that can be there to be seen. What is the role of a lawyer in this particular space? We realize that the role of a lawyer, lawyers transcend and they appear in all spaces when it comes to matters of governance. We start from our judiciary, a lot of it is lawyers. We go to the legislature, a number of members are lawyers. We come to the practitioners, most of them, in fact, all of them are lawyers. Even we go to the cabinet that has put in almost 50% are also lawyers or people who have studied law or have got some interaction with the law. So what does it mean? A lawyer plays a very crucial role in fostering proper corporate governance, good corporate governance, and also enforcing the rule of the law. And basically this is what the conference is talking about. From the keynote address and the expectation of the conference, I think we are really not disappointed. And I think this is a view that is shared by a number of our colleagues, that as we caucus ourselves and we meet in different meeting places, whatever we talk about, and then it is resonating well. So according to me, that the annual conference has come at the right time. It is addressing key issues, and even some of these issues were even they were even alluded to in the speech by the CJ that was read on our behalf by Justice Olga Sewe. And basically it means it's a conversation that the young people have started in Kenya, and now we have to contextualize it, and we as advocates, we must be able to play our rightful role in ensuring that at least the rule of law, and we protect the rights, and we make sure that Kenyans enjoy their freedoms that the Constitution has given unto them. Thank you very much.
AI is one of the themes of 2020.